Hello and welcome back. Today we want to make you curious about our second edition of our Saxony Tech Talk that we want to have with WATTTRON, a very interesting tech company also from Saxony. Today we want to sort out the last questions for our Tech Talk and look behind the scenes with the CEO Markus Stein. So join me, come in. Hey Markus, it's good to be back again here at WATTTRON, and it's always interesting to see what are the day-to-day tech questions you're working on at the moment.
Very typical question of our customers is, can we help them to increase output and also to help them in their sustainability goals? And I can say yes, our system enables to have a much more precise temperature control. And with this better temperature control, you can increase the output, but also at the same time process sustainable materials, which are then recyclable and help them to increase the sustainability.
What are you personally curious about regarding our Tech Talk?
Yeah, it's really the goal of the co-founder and me to build a hidden champion here in the heart of Saxony with WATTTRON. And so we are already happy to have customers in the European Union, in the US, as you said. We already had a first delegation from a Japanese company. But my goal would be to increase this number of international customers, and so I'm looking forward for this Tech Talk and also to increase our awareness for internationally.
Sounds great again. So we've got all that we need for our Tech Talk. We've got an interesting company, we've got interesting technology, and hopefully also an interested audience that joins us on April 20th for our second edition of our Saxony Tech Talk together with WATTTRON. Spread the news and see you later.
Looking forward.